Very good morning to all of you student. Unit number 3 Nationalism in India we are dealing, and today in this video we are about to finish this unit. Well, today's topic for this video is Subhash Chandra Bose and Azad Hind Fauj. Means what is the role of Subhash Chandra Bose in Azad Hind Fauj, that will be discussed in this video. You are requested to keep a textbook with you student. Very important character of our Indian history, Subhash Chandra Bose was. Subhash Chandra Bose was born on 23rd January 1897 in Cuttack, Orissa. So it was on time of 23rd January 1897. His mother's name was Prabhavati and father's name was Janki Nath Bose. He was very intelligent since childhood. He stood fourth in the ICS exam in year 1920, conducted in London. So he was very intelligent, and the proof of that was he was stood fourth in ICS exam, and that exam was conducted in London. He joined the Indian National Congress after returning to India and participated in the freedom struggle. So we can say that he was the greatest freedom fighter. After coming back from London, he participated in National Congress Party. He was arrested for 11 times under the political offence, and he was so revolutionary character. He became the president of Haripura session of Congress in 1838 CE and second time in the Tripura session held in 1930 CE. Difference of opinion forced him resign from the post of president of Indian National Congress. So there were two times that he was elected or he was selected for the president of Haripura session. First time he was the president of Haripura session of Congress. And the second time Tripura session in 1939. So he was elected as a president of these two sessions. Differences means he had different opinions. So because of that he just resigned from the post of that. In May 1939, Subhash Chandra Bose was formed a new political party, Forward Bloc. So it was the new political party that Subhash Chandra Bose had formed, and the name of that party was Forward Bloc. When the Second World War broke out in Europe, Forward Bloc launched an anti-war propaganda As a result, Subhash Chandra and his followers were arrested and imprisoned by the government. While in jail, Subhash Chandra Bose went a hunger strike and deteriorated his health, and the government was forced to set him free. So it was the time of Second World War. At that time, Subhash Chandra Bose and his new party launched an anti-war propaganda, and because of that he was arrested into prison, and in prison his health was deteriorated as he was on hunger strike. So Britishers had to set him free. However, he was kept under house arrest, but he was arrested, or he was kept under the house as a arrestment. A hunger strike kept under house arrest. Okay, these are the points. Still one paragraph is still. Please you note down this. Here picture of Subhash Chandra Bose is given, picture number 3.13. On 17th January 1941, Subhash Chandra Bose was escaped from the house arrest. So he was kept in house as arrestment. So Subhash Chandra Bose was escaped from that house. He disguised himself as a Pathan and reached Berlin via Peshawar, Kabul and Moscow. He gave a speech on Berlin radio which shocked the Britishers. From there he went to Japan via Sumatra. So it was he who disguised as a Pathan. And reached to Berlin and went to Japan via Sumatra. So this is Subhash Chandra Bose and his life. Now as a chief of Azad Hind Fauj. Indian soldier from the British Army, Captain Mohan Singh formed Azad Hind Fauj, that is Indian National Army, with the help of Indian soldiers who had surrendered to Japan as war prisoner. So it was Mohan Singh and who formed this Azad Hind Fauj. So we can say and who took help of Indian soldier. Due to differences of opinion between Japanese government and Ras Bihari Bose, Mohan Singh had to resign. So it was a time when they had to face the situation of different opinions. Means there was a different opinions between Japanese government and this Ras Bihari Bose. So Mohan Singh resigned that. The future of Azad Hind Fauj became blurred. With a general consent, Ras Bihari Bose appointed Subhash Chandra Bose as the chief of Azad Hind Fauj. So Mohan Singh just resigned from the post of president of Azad Hind Fauj. So that Azad Hind Fauj future became blur. So in place of this Mohan Singh, Ras Bihari Bose appointed Subhash Chandra Bose as the president of that Azad Hind Fauj on 4th July 1943. He was given the honorary title of Netaji, and it was the time that Subhash Chandra Bose was honored with the title Netaji. Netaji gave the slogan Chalo Delhi and Jai Hind to the Fauj and the nation. So these two slogans Subhash Chandra Bose has given, that is Chalo Delhi and second is Jai Hind. These two dialogue he has given. He toured the countries to Southeast Asia and appealed the Indian living there to sacrifice everything for the freedom of the country. He said to the people, "You give me blood and I will give you freedom." This slogan gave a new impetus to the freedom struggle. That was the slogan that I will give you freedom. This slogan Subhash Chandra Bose has given. Okay. Now provisional government. Please you note down this. After that we will go for provisional government. These are the slogan Subhash Chandra Bose has given. तुम मुझे खून दो मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा. That slogan Netaji has given. Subhash Chandra Bose established Arzi Hukumat Azad Hind, that is acting government of Free India, in Singapore in October 1943. He took charge as the chief of the army. This government declared a war against England and America. The new government of Free India was set up or established by Subhash Chandra Bose, and that is Arzi हुकूमते आज़ाद in Singapore 1940 October, and this government declared war against England and America. Now the real role of Azad Hind Fauj. Azad Hind Fauj was recognized by Subhash Chandra Bose after he became the chief of Arzi Hukumat Azad Hind. Proper training was given to the soldiers and the Azad Hind Fauj was divided into various battalions. Azad Hind Fauj secured victory at various fronts in eastern border of India like Arakan and Imphal. Later on, the Fauj was forced to retreat due to the shortage of food supply and heavy rain. America dropped the nuclear bomb on Japan and Japan surrendered. The dynamics of the war changed and the future of Azad Hind Fauj became hazy. 4,000 soldiers died and 25,000 soldiers were arrested. So this is the activity, means role of Azad Hind Fauj. So Subhash Chandra Bose was the prime character for this, and proper training was given to the soldier. Various battalion Azad Hind Fauj secured victory at various fronts in eastern border of India like Arakan and Imphal. So this America dropped this nuclear bomb on Japan and Japan surrendered in that. The dynamics of the war changed and 25,000 soldiers were arrested, 4,000 soldiers were died. Netaji had taken a vow that he will not enter in the subjugated India. Netaji left Rangoon and Bangkok and moved ahead by air. As per the report published by the Japanese government, his plane that took off from Taipei airport of Formosa on 18th August 1945 crashed and Netaji, being seriously burned, succumbed to death. It was the report, it was not a fact. So Japanese report, Japanese government has said that, and they reported that Netaji's plane was crashed and in that Netaji was seriously burned, but we don't have any proof for that. Still the mystery of Subhash Chandra Bose's death is not revealed. Still there is a question mark on the death of Subhash Chandra Bose. Netaji left Rangoon and Bangkok August Plane was crashed. Netaji was seriously burned. This is our third unit. Here we have completed this unit. Please you note down this. After that I will give you homework. Your homework is you have to do exercise question answer. This 11 question answer you have to do, which is there on page number 24. Answer the following in 1 or 2 sentences. Those 11 questions you have to do in your homework. Okay, take care, bye.